Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Minendra Surve, PhD pursuing in Mechanical Engineering. Already we have gone through the lecture number 1 of DOE, that is Design of Experiment. So this is our lecture number 2, and inside the lecture number 2 we look out what is full factorial design. So before going to start lecture 2, I will give some introductory part about the lecture 1. So what is design of experiment? So design of experiment is a basic, that is systematic method to determine the factors affecting the processes and output of that processes. So inside in that design of experiment, we have seen cause and effect relationship between the factors. How the importance of factors. If we change the input parameters of one factor, so you will ultimately get a different output processes. So it is a cause and effect relationship between the factors and responses. So total process is control or total process. We have, if some process is there, that process we need to give some inputs. So inputs likes are, there are two inputs. First input is the controllable input, second input is uncontrollable input, and then you will get some output as a response. Okay, so already we have discussed why we need DOE, what are the basic principles that represents DOE, on which basic principle DOE stands. So design of experiment stands on the three basic principles, that is nothing but a replication, randomization and control points, that we local control, we actually call it as a local control. Then we have gone through experimental design process. Inside an experimental design process, we have defined a problem, then determine the objective, determine the response and various factors, then design experiment, then we'll look out for perform experimentation, then we'll move forward for analyze the data, then we'll move forward for collect the data, analyze the data, then interpret the results. Okay, after interpreting the results, verify the predicted results, and last one is nothing but whether we are satisfied with our experimentation process or not. If you are satisfied with the experimentation process, then you can easily full stop over there. If you are not satisfied with the experimentation process, then you need to think about whether there is a necessity of additional experimentation. Then you need to perform runs of experimentation, and again for performing various runs of experimentation, we'll move forward for full factorial design. Okay, so here two level factorial design. So what is meaning of levels? That is nothing but if we select a factor, that factor having a low level either or high level. Suppose this is a 2 raised to k design, means here k is indicating a factor. What is a k indicating? K is nothing but factor. So suppose if we take k is equal to 1, so ultimately we will get 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, and that is nothing but 2 is what indicating? Runs. 2 indicating how many times you are going to run your experiment. Sorry, here it is indicating runs. Okay, 2 is indicating runs. Okay, now I am drawing here only taken of one factor, k is equal to 1 I have taken. So this is my factor, and factor is having denoting here it is my, this is my factor A. So for factor A, this is my low level and this is high level. So any factor for particularly that process, you has to input that factor. If A is my input factor, that is controllable factor. Suppose it is a controllable factor, then that factor having a low level or high level. So that's why we have written over here 2 level factorial design. Okay, inside in that 2 raised to k, k is a factor. And factor here we have considered one factor, so factor A is 1. So low level, so here it is my low level is indicating with a minus sign, and high level we are indicating with a plus sign. Okay, so this is from that we will easily get how many runs. If you look at over here, you will get runs. How many runs you are getting here? There are 2 runs, so first run and second. For particularly look out here factor, for factor A, first run and second runs, from here we will get there are two runs for one factor. So what is, maybe this one is low and here it is high. So this table is very important while solving a problems, while considering experimentation design process of 2 raised to k design. If you are taken k is equal to 1, so this table is important over here. So you need to remember this table. For factor 1 you will get 2 runs, that is nothing but one run is indicating low level and second run is indicating high level. Similarly, we can go for 2 raised to 2 design. Here we'll check what will happen in 2 raised to 2 design. So at that time k is equal to 2. So what is that meaning of k is equal to 2? You will ultimately get two factors. Okay, factor A and factor B. So we'll look out here. So second consideration, here we are considering two factors. So what is the value of k? You can take the value of k is equal to what? 2. So 2 raised to 2 is nothing but how many runs? You will get directly 4 runs. So how we can draw a figure for if I have selecting a two factors, suppose factor A and factor B, for particularly input of that process is, suppose here it is my, so I can choose here two factors like this. So this is my two factors, factor A, this is my factor A, this is my factor B. So here it is my low level for factor A and high level of factor A. Again low level of factor B and high level of factor B. So you can write here directly, here it is a high level, here it is a low level for your factor A, here it is a low level for factor B, here it is a high level of factor B, and ultimately here we will get interaction effect, that is high and high. So this is what factor A and factor B. Factor A, two factors, factor A, factor B, low level for factor A, high level of factor A, low level of factor B, high level of factor B. And what is this? This is an interaction effect of a factor A and factor B. Okay, now we'll have to introduce how we'll get 4 runs. That is the important thing over here. We need 4 runs. So I am writing over here how we'll get 4 runs. Look out here. We need a 4 runs. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 runs actually we requires. So look out here how we'll get 4 runs. So I will write here I will get runs. Okay. Here it is a factors. Suppose and interactions. You need to remember here you will get interactions. That is an important thing. Interactions for factor 2 you will ultimately get interactions. What is the interaction effect or combined effect of factor A and factor B? That is interaction. Only one factor will not get interaction effect, that is the main effect of factor A. In last process we have not seen the interaction, you will not get interaction effect because there is only one factor. Here it is a case you will get 2 factors, then and then only you will get interaction effect. More than one factor, always you will get interaction effect. So what is important here? My factor A and factor B, and what is interaction of A and B? दोनों का interaction क्या होगा? Definitely AB होगा. Suppose here I can here write here what for runs. Okay, for particularly writing our runs 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many runs we are getting? 2 raised to k. K is equal to 2 factors. Already we have input over here, k is equal to 2 raised to 2, 4 runs. So that's why I have written here 4 runs. Now how I can differentiate these runs? Look at here. First is the low level of A, then low level of a A. I can take high level of a A, low level of a B. Then similarly you can take a low level of a A, high level of a B, and last one is high level of a, high level of a B. From here you can easily take low level of a, low level of a B, high level of a. Similarly you can consider low level of a B. Okay, low level of a, high level of a B, and both having high levels. So what is ultimately produced, what is the interaction effect over here? So how we can define interaction effect? That is the combined effect of factor A and factor B. So minus and minus, you can write here combined effect is a plus, plus minus combined effect is a minus, minus or low level high level combined effect is a low level. Okay, high level combined effect is high level. So that is the interaction effect. So this table is again important over here. Okay, so importance of this table is important. Okay, so for factors 2, so you need to remember these factors and interaction effects for problem solving approach. If you not remember these basic things, you cannot apply these basic things in your projects or in your research theory or in your problem solving approach. So these are very important things. Okay, so these factors you can remember here. Just wait, use a different pen over here so that it is very easy to interpret the results. And this is 4 runs getting over here. Okay, so look at what. So it is very crystal and clear. Low level of A, low level of B, combined effect or interaction effect of A and B is minus minus plus. You can remember likewise. So low level of A and low level of B, ultimately you will get a result as high level of interaction effect AB. High level of A, low level of B, interaction effect of AB is a low level. So you need to remember likewise, because we are designing 2 levels factorial design. Only we are considering here what? 2 levels. One is low and one is high. So again we will go forward for 3 factors. What will be the 3 factors? If you put the 3 factors, A, B and C are my factors. So what will be the change in the tables? You can easily found out. Or what will be the interaction effects? If 2 factors are there, we will get 1 interaction effect. So what will be the interaction effect if we increase a factor by 1, means if we put a factor is equal to 3, so what will be the interaction effect for A, B, C? So that will be going to check here. Just wait, keep on watching. So we have a time constraint, so I have already putting all the values over here. So now we have 3 factors. We have check for factor 1, we have check for factor 2. Now we have 3 factors. So how many runs? 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8. So simply here what? 3 factors. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to how many runs? 8 runs. So what is the importance here? Ultimately, if you are doing a performance experimentation for particularly process, if you increase the factor by once, your runs are going to be increased. So that you have to remember what are the important factors. So you need to focus on that factors only. Okay. So if 1 factor, you will get 2 runs. 2 factors, you will get 4 runs. 3 factors, you will get 8. If you are selecting as a 4 factors, 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16. So that number of runs are going to be increased. Now simply, so 8 runs, so factor A, B, C, 3 factors. So I have given here name. These are my factors. Just wait. These are my factors. And these are interaction effects, interactions. So how I write over here interactions? A, B interaction, ए का सी के साथ इंटरेक्शन होगा, बी का सी के साथ इंटरेक्शन होगा और तीनों का एक साथ भी इंटरेक्शन होगा, दैट इज ए बी एंड सी। इसके अलावा कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा। ओके, सो दैट इज ए बी ए सी बी सी एंड ए बी सी। Now we'll check how the runs I have plotted over here. So simple trick is there. You have to remember low level and high level. Only two levels we are going to study over here. So minus and plus. So for factor A, you can remember like this: low level, high level, low level, high level, low level, high level, low level, high level, or minus plus, minus plus, minus plus, minus plus. Likewise, for factor B, you can follow this trick. Minus minus plus plus minus minus plus plus, and for factor C 4 times minus 4 times plus. This combination is there. You can check or you can plot the table. You will get similar kind of combination. In any combination you will get ultimately result will be the same. So without wasting your time, just remember this: minus plus minus plus minus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus plus, and 4 times minus and 4 times plus. Now we'll check what is interaction effect over here AB. So minus minus का interaction effect क्या होगा? Minus minus AB, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus is a minus, plus plus is a plus, minus minus is a plus, plus minus is a minus. Okay, इसका क्या होगा? Minus plus is a minus, plus plus का plus होगा. Now AC, I will move forward for AC. You have to look out of column A and column C only. Column A minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, and plus plus, you will get plus. Similarly for BC, you need to focus only column B and column C for interaction effect of BC. So minus minus you will get plus, minus minus you will get plus, plus minus is a minus, plus minus again minus, minus plus is minus, minus plus is a minus, plus plus is a plus, plus plus is a plus. अगर कोई मिस्टेक होती है तो बाई चांस मिस्टेक होगी, आप करेक्शन कर लेना। ओके, नाउ एबीसी का तीनों का देखना है तो तीनों का आप कैसे देखोगे? तीनों को देखना है तो एबी का तो हमने निकाला है ऑलरेडी, जस्ट सी का उसमें ऐड करना है। एबी का क्या निकाला है? ये। तो आपको कौन सा कॉलम देखना है ये समझ में आना चाहिए। एबी निकाले, सी उसमें ऐड करना है, तो ये दो कॉलम हम ले सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे क्या है? माइनस प्लस क्या आएगा? माइनस प्लस क्या आएगा? माइनस आएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस आएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस आएगा, माइनस प्लस माइनस आएगा, प्लस 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 आएगा, प्लस माइनस माइनस आएगा, प्लस माइनस माइनस आएगा, प्लस 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 आएगा। सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो ये अरिथमेटिक लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये आपको पहले से ही रेफरेंसिंग और रिसर्च पेपर के साथ अगर आप पढ़ोगे, बहुत सारा ये रेफरेंस पहले से हो चुका है, रिसर्च इसके ऊपर हो चुका है, तो ये रिजल्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे। यानी कि अल्टीमेटली आपको इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट्स डिजाइन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट से मिलने वाले हैं कि मेरा फैक्टर ए और बी का कंबाइंड इफेक्ट, इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट क्या होगा अगर उनके दोनों का लेवल लो कॉम्बिनेशन का है, तो इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट क्या होगा? मतलब माइनस ए माइनस बी, तो इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट क्या होगा? माइनस माइनस क्या होगा? आपका प्लस हाई लेवल का इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट होगा। ये चीजें आपको समझाती है। तो इस टेबल से आपको ये सारी चीजें समझ में आती है, तो आप इस तरीके का टेबल प्लॉट कर सकते हो। जितने आपके फैक्टर्स रहेंगे उतना अपना टेबल बड़ा होता चला जाएगा। लेकिन क्या आप इससे आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो? तो ये बेसिक सारा चीजें ये हम प्रूफ करेंगे। आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको लेके आऊंगा कि 2:2 डिजाइन के साथ हम चलेंगे, कि 2:2 डिजाइन को पूरा देखेंगे कि इसका मेन इफेक्ट फैक्टर ए का क्या होता है, मेन इफेक्ट फैक्टर बी का क्या होता है, कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ए बी का क्या होता है, वो पूरा रिवील करेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जो कि हमारा लेक्चर 3 होगा। उस पूरे लेक्चर में मैं आपको 2:2 डिजाइन पूरा समझाऊंगा, पूरा डिजाइन प्रोसेस दूंगा। लास्टली हम एनोवा टेबल भी प्लॉट करेंगे कि पूरा प्रोसेस कैसे होगा। ये जस्ट बेसिक वीडियो था। इस बेसिक वीडियो से आपको ये पता हो लगेगा कि एक्चुअल में ये फैक्टर्स फुल फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन होता क्या है। सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कर देना एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग अस।